Another tutorial guys, another hit song. This time is from Imagine Dragons. The title of the song is Easy Come Easy Go. Easy Come Easy Go by Imagine Dragons. So in this tutorial guys, we have three parts. The first part is the intro, plucking pattern, and then the second part is for the chords, and the last is for the string pattern. Okay, we have three parts again: plucking pattern, the chords, and the string pattern. Let's start guys with the playing pattern or the intro. This is the intro. Please follow me guys. I'll show it first guys. Playing pattern for the intro. Okay. So we have two lines or we have two parts for the intro. Okay. Two lines. First line. Then second line, second line. That is the intro. So the first chord is B. First line, B. A note of B guys, and then the playing pattern is, this is numbering. Please follow me. Fifth, and then second string. Okay, second string. And then the last string is the fourth string. Okay, fourth string. Again. Fifth, second string, and fourth string. Okay. Gets that's are the notes for the B. Okay. Fifth, second, and fourth string. Okay. Let's play. Okay. Then the second chord is a note of E flat minor. So, and position of the fingers here. So E flat minor. The bass note is this E flat. Then one here for the index finger, fourth fret guys, fourth fret. Then fourth string, fourth fret, fourth string. Again. Here the ring finger, sixth fret, fifth. Then here at the fourth fret, fourth string for the index. And then the last one is this, the pinky finger here, third string at the sixth fret. Okay. Fifth, then index, fourth at the fourth fret. Then the last one is index, pinky, sixth fret, third string, third string. Okay. And then the numbering for the plucking pattern is fifth, third, and then fourth. Okay. Fifth, third, fourth string. Okay. Okay, gets. Let's play from the beginning. Then fifth, third, fourth. Okay. Fifth, third, fourth. Okay. Third, fourth. Okay, third, fourth. That is the second chord, and then the third chord is a note of G minor, G sharp minor. So three strings only. Here again, fourth fret guys. Here sixth fret, then two here, fourth and third string again, fourth and third string. Okay, fourth fret, and then the playing pattern is 6, 3, 4. Okay, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4. Okay, let's play from the beginning. 4, and then here 6, 3, 4. Okay. 6, 3, 4, and then the last two chords. So the last are here. These are the last note. Ding 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 ding. Okay. Ding ding ding. So G sharp minor again. 6, then third. Ding ding. Okay. 6 third, and then the last note is F sharp. 6 third, F sharp. Okay. Here 6 again, second fret, then middle for third strings, third string, third fret. Okay. Ding 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 ding. 6 third, then slide second fret for the F sharp. 6 third. Okay. 6 third. Okay. Okay, so let's play from the beginning again. This is the first line, first line. And then the second line again, repeat those plucking patterns. And then for the second chord, for the second line, guys, a little changes. The second chord is a note of E7. E flat 7, E flat 7, okay? And the position of the fingers is this. For the second line, this. So here, 6th fret again, the 6th fret, ring here again, then this time is here. The index finger is here at the 5th fret, okay? Then the last is 6th fret again. The ring finger here, the second, third string, sorry. 6th, 3rd, 4th, okay? 6th, 3rd, 4th, okay? This is the position of the fingers, okay? 6th, 3rd, 4th, okay? And then repeat this chord after this. That's all, guys. Let us play from the beginning. First line. Second line. Please don't forget this chord, okay? E7. Second line. Okay, that's the whole intro. Again, let's play. First line. Second line. Okay? And then insert the verse. So for the verse, guys, we have two parts again. We have two parts for the verse. Like the intro, two parts, the verses, and or for the chords, we have two parts. The first chord, again, B, then E flat minor, the 6th fret, for same position of fingers of the B minor, that will play or will get this chord at the 6th fret. And then the third chord is G sharp minor. Then the last chord is F sharp. That's the first line. So let's play. G sharp minor. Down, up, down, F sharp. Okay. Then the second line, B again, B. Then the second chord is E flat 7. So for the E flat 7, with a form of C, guys, same position fingers of C, but we'll add this finger. We'll add one note, the pinky. So here at the 3rd fret, but we'll play this chord at the 6th fret, okay? 6th fret. At the 6th fret, okay? 6th fret, okay? Second line. Then again, G sharp minor. Let's play again. First line. E flat minor. Second line. And the string pattern is down. Now let us make this easy. Down. Okay? Down. Let us make this simple. Okay? Down, up, down. Down. Second line. That's all, guys. That is the string pattern, the chords, and our simple string pattern for this song. This is my version of how to play this song from Imagine Dragons. Easy come, easy go. This is our version. If you learn in this new tutorial, guys, please like this video, guys. Please like this video. That's all for today. That's all for tutorial. Shout out to all of you. That's all for today. Bye. All girls gone, blame them.